And this is a live example from a dealer. We're going to look at the labor profit analysis for an individual service advisor. So as you can see, service advisor A had written 149 customer pay ROs, generated 262 hours at 1.76 hours per RO, which equated to an effective labor rate of 83.30 and a gross percentage of 69.8%. Now, you may look at this and say, I don't see a problem or I don't see a challenge. And that may be true in your dealership or in your department. You may look at this and say, I see 4 or 5 challenges or problems that we need to solve for. Each individual dealership is going to be a little bit different in how they evaluate and what they deem as challenges and problems. And that's okay. As I look at this, the service manager in this particular situation said to me, I have a problem I need your help with. I have an underperforming service advisor. So we pulled that labor profit analysis and we looked at the data that we saw there. And I said to the manager, when we are identifying a challenge, it's important to be really specific. And I mean specific. And we have to understand what the consequences of this challenge are. What's it costing us? Let's put it in real terms. What does it mean? What's the potential impact or gain? What would we earn by making a change? What's the level of difficulty? Is this an easy change? Is it a difficult change? What's the level of effort that we have to put in? And then, is it sustainable? Is this a long-term problem that we can solve? Is this something that we need to fix in the short term? Understanding these 5 points or being specific and understanding the other points are really important to identifying a challenge. So if I'm going to be specific on this particular situation, as I have an underperforming service advisor, I want, again, be specific and say advisor A is at 1.76 hours per RO, and the group average is at 2.35. Okay, that's being specific. It's given actual data along with the problem. We lose shop hours to the tune of 88.5 hours per month. The lift or the impacted gain that we would get would be increased revenue. I mean, we're talking about one service advisor, one payment method, 1 month. Additional revenue of $7,300, which without changing our gross retention, gives us over $5,000 of additional gross to the bottom line. Is this an easy problem? Well, of course not. It's a difficult problem. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it and making this change. It is a difficult problem. However, it is sustainable, and it is something that will bring us longer-term success in our departments and longer-term success for an individual, our service advisor.